In this video, we will introduce Relative Layout Part 1. The Relative Layout view group enables you to specify how child views are positioned relative to each other. In Relative Layout, you can use above, below, left, and right to arrange the component position. Let's look at a basic example. Here I have my main2.xml and I have my Relative Layout tag. I have my layout width and height. I also have a text view and a button. Notice that one of the different attributes I'm using for this button is Android Layout Margin Top with a value of 30 dp. This specifies extra space on the top side of this view. 30 dp is 30 density independent pixels. The density independent pixel is equivalent to one physical pixel on a 160 dpi screen, the baseline density assumed by the platform. So basically, above this button, we're going to put this much space. Here we have another text view. This time I have Android Layout Below. This positions the top edge of this view below the given anchor view ID. So this text view is going to go below button 3, which is here. I also have Layout Margin Top with a value of 94 dp. This specifies extra space on the top side of this view, just like we did on the previous button. Here I have an input or edit text, and I also have a layout align parent right. The value is true. If true, it makes the right edge of this view match the right edge of the parent. I also have layout align top, and this makes the top edge of this view match the top edge of the given anchor view ID, which in this case would be text view 1. Now I have a button called submit, and I have align parent right. And if this is true, it makes the right edge of this view match the right edge of the parent. I also have Android layout below, and this positions the top edge of this view below the given anchor view ID. So this will place this button below edit text 1, which is this one. Finally, my button 3 has a layout below, which again positions the top edge of this view below the given anchor view ID. Layout margin top, which specifies extra space on the top side of this view, and this space is outside this view's bounds. And then I have layout to left of, which positions the right edge of this view to the left of the given anchor view ID. And we can get a feeling of how our view is going to be rendering by clicking the graphical layout. This concludes our discussion of Relative Layout Part 1.